Guys, Berlin got blessed with another absolutely fantastic weather. I did a 5K run this morning. I went to the gym. Everything after waking up at 6 a.m. feels so good. And something exciting came in the mail. After just 2 days of ordering this, I think we have gotten ourselves a DJI Mavic 4 Pro Creator Combo. Oh boy, freaking insane. This is a beefy boy. This thing is so freaking heavy. Most anticipated purchase of the year. So, hell yeah. Ooh, nice. Oh, that's clean. Everything is already in the carrying bag. Wow. This thing got like 20% bigger, I think. Absolutely huge. Okay, you've probably at this point seen 1,000 videos, but 4 batteries, they are nicely tucked in this thing. So this thing can charge all 3 batteries within 90 minutes. And then we have the star of the show, of course, the drone itself. Yeah, not much I can show you here. Wait until I get to test this thing. I think it's absolutely amazing and I cannot wait to try it out. Guys, I've decided there's only one real way to test out this drone fully, which is with a little trip. So my friends are going on a hiking trip in the beautiful Bavarian nature this weekend, and I decided to join. So that's what we're doing, staying over the weekend, having a good time, and bringing this bad boy to test it to its full capability. Let's get it. Okay, quick outfit change because I just finished a small run and a gym workout, and now I'm picking up 2 friends that are joining me on this trip. It's a bigger group, but those 2 I'm taking from Berlin, and I really cannot wait to see it and try out this drone with you. So let's get on the road, guys. Guys,
go, see you in
let's go, hell yeah. Alright, gang's complete.
Berlin, let's go. Berlin is coming.
I'm here with Tom and Hugo, and we're driving to Bavaria. Current route says 4.5 hours to Nuremberg, and I think we're just gonna go straight there, check out the city for a bit, maybe fly the drone, and then from there we want to avoid highway and get like a kind of a scenic road to Tegernsee. Let's get on the road. All right, just got out of the car, made it to our first destination. That was straight up 6 hours of driving. We had a tiny stop at Burger King, and then we're now in Nuremberg. And I don't know how much I can actually film here with the drone, since it's more in the city center than I thought. But beautiful looking castle, and I'll see if I find a spot that I can take off from. This is the first time unpacking this thing in action in the wild. And one small feature that is on by default now is if you open the arms like this, the drone will just turn on automatically. And as you can see, this new crazy gimbal is already going crazy. Same thing with the controller, by the way. Just open it and it should turn on. Maybe not this time. Okay, manually this time. But as you can see, huge 7-inch touchscreen display. This is an OLED, and yes, this makes a bulkier controller, but I think it's well worth it for someone like me who flies a lot. And those sticks are also permanently attached and you cannot lose them anymore. Okay, I can already tell you about the biggest problem that I'm facing. DJI has not been able to deliver the ND filters. They are still being made. Apparently not even people that I know that have gotten the drone before release have got their hands on ND filters. So I'm still without NDs, Delivery time says in 1 month, which is crazy. I hope it's sooner. But for now, we're stuck with no NDs, which means I have to crank up the aperture to a good 11. Okay guys, guess it's time for the very first takeoff. This thing is so freaking quiet. I can't even believe it. But I'm getting insane overexposure, so I really have to dial up the shutter. All right guys, let me take a quick flight and you see the results coming up now. Okay, we decided not to leave right away, but take in a pretzel with butter at this very German place. Okay, decided flying here in the city is a bit sketchy, so that was just a 5-minute takeoff and landing again. I'll take more time once we're into nature and everything is a bit more chill. The plan is to have a quick pretzel here and then leave Nuremberg towards Tegernsee. And on the way there, we want to go through the small back roads and maybe catch some driving follow shots of the car. We'll see.
Danke, danke. Bitte schön.
Vielen Dank. Wow. Okay, this video testing the new Mavic 4 turned into Bavarian food testing. Yeah. Okay, we have exactly how many minutes?
I guess 5, no, 12.
2, 5, 12. How many? 12 minutes. Okay, that's easy. So 12 minutes until the last supermarket closes in this whole city. Do we need to get some more snacks for the big hike that's happening tomorrow? So quick shop and then we're back on the road, I hope. Let's try to make it to the supermarket. I have 7 minutes. Okay, I got a bunch of trail nut mixes for the hike tomorrow and also some stuff for the camper. And fruits, of course, very important. All right, groceries are secured. We're going towards Tegernsee, avoiding highway. Okay, last minutes of sun. Tom is gonna go behind the wheel and is driving the Jeep, while I'm gonna start the drone and attempt a follow shot on this road. Let's take off and Tom, I will let you know when to go. Let's give it a shot, let's go. Okay guys, by the way, this is all manually, just following the drone. There's none of the auto follow features. Okay, switching to the telephoto. Okay, last one. Last one is the 6X. Just want to do it. This has been the first test of car follow shots. I think we successfully give you a small peek into this, and now we're gonna actually gotta go back on the road.
Keep to Tegernsee.
Yeah, finally. A wonderful good morning, guys. It is the day after. We've just set camp here last night, and the boys have slept in the tent. I have slept in my amazing car camper, and I'll actually show you that thing right now because I bet most of you don't even know what this channel is about. And it is me traveling around the world with this G-Class converted into a camper. So take a look inside. This was my very much cozy bed last night. So yeah, as you are noticing, the weather is actually pretty shit, which means it's gonna be kind of a heavy-duty test for the drone. And for us people, honestly, because we are gonna take a hike no matter what. The hike is 8 hours total. It's 4 hours up, 4 hours down. That could be great fun in this weather. Okay, damn. So for now, prepare a bit, change my shoes, and yeah. Okay, I've decided to switch into something more heavy duty. Okay, I'm packing my day bag right now, and besides a banana and some kiwis, the drone must go in here as well. So the big question remains, will this huge, insane drone actually fit in my backpack? Please? Yes, drone fits in very tightly, but it does fit in. And I think I'll bring one extra battery, nothing more than that. Yeah, we're getting ready for this adventure. I'm actually hyped that the weather is kind of like this. It'll be fun, it'll be fun. A packed car today. Let's go, Jungs. Alright, quick look at the backpack situation. Drone, another battery, some food, controller, water, and some more goodies for the Osmo. Social hike is starting now. The forest is beautiful right now. The rain sounds. It's also not really heavy rain because trees are really protecting us. A very sick experience already.
It's gonna get wet.
I am very glad I switched into these boots. They are much more made for this terrain. Okay, we're waiting for this guy to pass because someone will step on it.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. And service.
Nur natürliche
Peanut.
Zutaten.
Okay, we are taking the first small break here. And there's kind of, what is it, peanut bars? Kind of energy bars for everyone. It's very cool.
Hey!
Okay, we're doing a super improv drone shot. Starting off. This way is looking absolutely insane. See what I can do here. Okay, getting the shot. Controller is completely wet, and still we gotta keep up with the group. So this is an insane challenge. Selecting active track now. It has realized that I'm a person. Now John is following me. So active track is now running. I have no control. All doing it manually, yeah, automatically. Scared of this fence though. Okay, both controller and drone are completely soaked, but did a good job. So now, packing everything back up. Already very much into action, this drone. And now let's catch up to the group. So we have made it to our very first resting point, which is kind of the middle point of this hike. We are just before 2 hours in. I'm actually soaking wet, but supposedly there's a nice restaurant with German food and we can warm ourselves up here. Let's hope it's open. I have trust issues. Up here, no one here besides us. Let's see. Okay, this one is fully packed. No more people can fit in. So, checking out the next one. Thank God there's two. The odds. If this one is full, I am actually dying. It is so cold.
Cheers. Der Reiz geht jetzt auf. Hier. Ist das eine Hafer?
Sick. Okay guys, warmed up again. Just had amazing German food inside and it was so cozy just to warm up again. And controller is still very much wet, but we are taking another flight. The view behind me is still very foggy, but now I have a clean setup. Sit down and fly, get some shots of the mountains. Let's go. Here's what I captured. Okay guys, the hike continues. We have company. Oh! Oh yeah. Looks so sick. The weather really gives to the experience in a positive way.
No matter the weather,
So much.
we're riding. Rain or shine.
So epic. Du schon wieder. Komm. Servus. Wow! Die Dubs almost tripped. Alright, we've just made it back to civilization and the sun is greeting us.
Like 5 hours?
Okay, watch says 4 hours, but I stopped on the break. So around 5-6 hours. Pretty good.
Let's go, guys.
Okay guys, we have just completely wrapped up the hike. We're back down with the car and this video is not over. We're doing one more thing. We're going to sauna and after that I want to get some drone shots from this area. So stay tuned until the very end because I think these shots could turn out really well. All right, just parked by the lake. It's next to me. And now the ultimate test. Can I operate this thing completely without leaving the car? I think yes, but we'll have to see if it actually works. And I think this is a good time to tell you, you are so welcome to subscribe to me on this channel since I am always on the road with this car, going to so many different countries, having my drone setup with me, my camera setup, and filming cinematic vlogs. I'll show you all these cool places. So it will be a huge support if you subscribe, if you like the video, share it with anyone, since I'm trying to grow this and then take you guys on way bigger adventures than right now. But for now, let's start up this drone and explore Tegernsee from above. I really hope you enjoyed this little test of the Mavic 4 Pro in all its glory. I've gotten my hands on the Creator Combo, which includes this insane monitor controller. And I have to say, this is the one thing I'm not sure about. This is really bulky and heavy, especially if I'm walking while shooting or in a tight space or going on a hike. This thing is extra heavy and it's just an extra thing to carry. So I'm not 100% sold on this. If you're stationary, it is amazing. You can tilt the screen and the camera will turn into vertical mode and then you can shoot vertical footage, which is amazing. And I have not seen this before on any DJI drone besides the Mavic 1 actually. So that is a nice feature, but still it comes with the price of having this bulky monitor controller setup. Other than that, I was really happy with how the drone was flying, but I still need to do some small adjustments to get the most cinematic footage out of this drone. So if you want to see a video like that, let me know in the comments. And if you're into these tech gear videos, also let me know in the comments, please, because I'm just starting out on this channel. I'm figuring out stuff as I go. So please subscribe, watch some of my videos. I go on crazy trips, capturing the most amazing footage for you guys. So yeah. Get on board, subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Peace.